So I'm gonna straighten my hair today, but first I'm gonna blow my hair out because you know the blowout is the foundation to a silk press. I've already washed my hair. It's clean. It's still dripping wet. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of heat protectant spray. I'm gonna use my Silk Elements heat protectant spray that I pretty much always use. A little goes a long way with this stuff, so don't spray a lot. It will weigh your hair down. Sorry if you guys can hear any background noise. My washer is going because it's laundry day at my house. So my hair is completely blow dried. I did use my new Revlon volumizer one-step blow dryer styler thing, and I did do a full demo and review on this brush. So this is what we're working with. Pretty much the best blowout I've ever been able to achieve on my hair, and a pretty good foundation for straightening, if I do say so myself. So let's move on to that. So I'm gonna use the same thing I always use to straighten my hair. As for my serum to help silk out my hair, I have my BioSilk Silk Therapy serum here. As for my straightener, I'm using my Baby Bliss Pro titanium iron. I don't use anything else ever since I got this. This is my go-to. I also have my straightening comb tool that I use to do the chase method with my flat iron to make sure that my hair gets super straight. Hopefully I can get by with just doing a couple of passes since I have a pretty decent foundation that I'm working with from my blowout. So I'm just going to take small sections, 2 passes, and work my way up and just play some music and let you guys watch what I'm doing because it's really nothing to it. So I will check back with you guys once I'm done. She heard my deep stroke. She said, "Big does it hurt when I deep throat?" Certified freak hoe, hang around us and she learning my lingo. Back then wasn't worried about me though. In the gym trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn, spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes ma'am, she a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys try this on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fam. Shit's high, hit the switch on the fan. That's where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings. We used to share a connection. Now it just feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all ain't involved and it's very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing the section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some track. Now that I'm closer to the top of my head, I'm gonna stop and kind of slow down and show y'all what I'm actually doing. So I don't have a comb. I'm just using my fingers to part sections of my hair. So for the most part, I've just been doing 2 passes. When I was in the middle of my hair, where my hair is a bit kinkier and tighter, I would tap at the roots just 2 or 3 times and run my flat iron down. I do have this set to the highest temperature. Go hard or go home. This is 450 degrees. So of course I want my hair to be super straight, so I'm doing everything I can to kind of limit how many passes I do. So after I tap a couple of times, just depending on how bushy the roots are where I'm working, take my straightening comb, pull it down enough to give myself enough room to get my flat iron in there, and then I just chase the comb down. And that's pretty much it. I don't have a mirror right here, so I'm using the viewfinder as my mirror.
I'm at the venue, it's active. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of, she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed, they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag, they keep checking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside.
Hey guys, so it's been about 3 days since I finished my hair, but I wanted to come back and show you guys the finished results. So I did dust my ends just a little bit off camera. It's not the perfect trim, but it'll have to do for now until I can make an appointment to get a professional trim. I just don't trust myself cutting that much off of my hair. Hopefully I can keep my hair like this for the next 3 weeks. But I just wanted to come back and show you guys my final results while my hair was still straight, because I do think I'm gonna go through and give myself some flat iron curls. So definitely give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with somebody if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you guys care about seeing how I curl my hair with the flat iron, and I will record that video as well. So I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.